Hello everyone, if your Battlefield 6 is crashing to desktop with no error code or it's randomly crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Battlefield 6 crashes on your computer. So first off, you're going to open up the start menu and you're going to write here control panel. You're going to go on to hardware and sound. You're going to click on to power options here. You're going to select your power plan and then click on to change plan settings. You're going to click on to change advanced power settings. You want to scroll down on here, click on to PCI Express, click on to link state power management, make sure the setting is turned off, and then you're going to click on to apply on here, close this menu up, and you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with restarting your computer, then you can go ahead and play the game, and you should notice that there shouldn't be any crashes anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying Battlefield 6 crashes. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.